All right, driving school on Eastern Parkway, Brooklyn, New York, right? If you are living around this area, you need somebody to help you, you need some help, feel free to check Pierre Driving School. We're gonna cover a few left and right here, things that are expecting for you to do, making a right turn here at the light, mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn. We're gonna do a few turn here, show you things that they're expecting for you to do, okay? If you live in the New York City area, especially in the Eastern Parkway area, I need somebody to help you. Pierre Driving School will be more than happy to help you in that manner. All right, so we cover all these areas as well. We have no problem doing so. Things we cover in here are things that are going to be beneficial not only for you to pass your road test, also as well to be a safe driver as you're going to be driving on the road by yourself. Remember, for the purpose of the road test, it's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. The minute that you understand that, it changes everything for you. I want you to be well aware of things that they're looking for you to do and things that you're supposed to do to be safe on the road, okay? Both hands on the steering wheel. Always make sure that you leave room. The car in front of us is way ahead the white line. Not supposed to do that, but hey, that's why they drive in Brooklyn. There's nothing we can tell them to do differently unless the police put them in check, all right? We are driving here on Eastern Parkway, Brooklyn, New York, and we cover those areas as well, all right? So we're gonna go up here. At the traffic light coming up, we're making a right turn, all right? We're gonna signal the turn here, nice and smooth. When we stop, we're like, okay, light turn green, mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn. Very smooth, and to fall right into your lane. You do not want to accelerate when you're making those turns. That's when trouble coming in, okay? You do not want to accelerate. It's gonna come to a stoplight. We're gonna stop right over here, nice and smooth here, and we're making the turn here again at this traffic light, that Eastern Parkway. All right, driving school in Eastern Parkway. If you need any help, check pierredriving.com. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do so we can definitely help you in any driving endeavor. And if you've done your road test already here, let me know when you did where you do your road test. If you can't even remember how many points you got, share with us so we can see. How here in Brooklyn, they have a point system for those people that are doing their road test here. The first time I failed the test, I get 60 points. The second time I get 40 something, and the third time I barely pass it with 30. All right, so it comes to understanding it's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. The minute you understand that, it changes everything. Let me know in the comment below, where did you do your road test, all right? So we're making a right turn here onto a 3-lane street. We got the first lane here to your right, we got the second lane, but we're gonna go to the main road to the closest right. But for the purpose of the road test, you have to turn to the closest lane you turn into unless you're instructed to do otherwise, all right? So here, I'm gonna make the right turn here to the closest right lane, since that's the right way of doing it when you're doing your road test, all right? But in driving in general, you turn wherever you like, but then unlikely even anything happen, if you make the turn wrong, then the judge gonna rule against you. But that's not the case, because you know what you're doing by doing, let's say, mirror right, shoulder right, making the turn here. We fall into the closest right lane as we're supposed to do, all right? Closest right lane here, and from there we continue to drive, all right, folks? These are the level you want to deliver when you're doing your test. In fact, these are the level you wanted to drive when you're doing your test, because the reason why, you want to be as safe as possible, and the way to be safe as possible is to do what you're supposed to do, all right? So we're going here, coming up to a stop here, nice and easy. Okay, there you go. All right, folks, it's not that difficult. It's us to make sure that we do what we're supposed to do in the right way so we can pass our road test with no issue, all right? So it's coming up to a stop sign here. And the full stop, you know how we do. We're gonna make 2 mandatory stops and as many stops as necessary to clear any blind spots. The first time here for the humans, no human crossing in front of me. The second time here is for traffic. Okay, I'm looking on the left side. I have no traffic coming up, nobody creating any crazy thing. Okay, we continue to go. Very important, guys, you paying attention to those details, all right, folks? Because like I said again, things will be working against you and you do not want that, all right, folks? This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Like, share, and subscribe. Anything you want me to cover in particular, put in the comment below. I will be more than happy to do so. Remember, I'm doing this for you guys so I can help to the best of my ability of the little thing that I know. Okay, what the sign says here, the sign says here, we cannot make no left turn, but for sure, we can make a right turn if we want to. I see the human on the right side. Gonna make sure to get out of my way. Okay, I'm making turn here. Nobody is here, no human here. Okay, you see how much I'm checking the shoulders, guys? These are at the level you want it to be observing while you making those turns, all right? Otherwise, guys, it's not gonna be in your favor. It will not be good for you, all right? Both hands on the steering wheel at all the time, covering my brake, all right? And what I notice is bus turning, it's forward planning all your moves, you know? Well aware of every move that you be making. I see all these cars are turning here. I'm not gonna pull up to block the intersection. It's clear, and I continue to drive. So I'm going, folks. These are the level of delivery as you do in your lesson and as you do in your wood test. You need to deliver. Light is less than 10. I'm gonna kill it when I get there. It's completely red. See, kill it when I get there. It's completely red. It ain't no rush. It ain't no rush, folks. It ain't no rush. It's all about delivery to how you're supposed to deliver. That's all there is to it, folks. Nothing less, nothing more. Okay. Like, share, and subscribe. Any question you want me to cover, put in the comment below. I will be more than happy to do so, all right? You have Pierre Driving School. We specialize on all type of student. You know, nervous student, you welcome. Beginner, you welcome. We do this all together. We show you things that are for you to do to pass your test with flying color. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye.